What if one simple morning drink could help you feel lighter, more refreshed, and start your day on the right foot? Today I'm sharing a healthy juice recipe that's made with just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It's quick to make, naturally refreshing, and many people enjoy it as part of a healthy morning routine. Let's make it together! To prepare this drink, you'll need 1 fresh apple, half of a cucumber, and the juice of 1 lime. Slice half of a fresh cucumber into chunks. Start by washing all of your ingredients thoroughly. Cut the apple into small pieces and remove the seeds. There's no need to peel it, because the skin contains fiber and beneficial plant nutrients. And finally, squeeze the juice from 1 ripe lime. Add everything to a blender along with a little cold water. Blend until the mixture is smooth. If you prefer a lighter texture, you can strain it, but drinking it with the pulp gives you extra fiber, which may help you feel fuller for longer. So why do so many people enjoy this simple combination? Apples are naturally rich in fiber and antioxidants that can support overall health as part of a balanced diet. Cucumbers are made up mostly of water, making them a refreshing way to stay hydrated. While adding important vitamins and minerals, lime juice brings a bright citrus flavor along with vitamin C, making this drink both delicious and refreshing. Many people like to enjoy this juice first thing in the morning because it's light and hydrating. Staying well hydrated and eating fruits and vegetables regularly can support normal digestion and overall wellness. While no single drink can detox your liver or kidneys, your body already has amazing natural systems that perform those functions every day. Healthy habits like eating nutritious foods, staying hydrated, exercising, and getting enough sleep help those organs do their job efficiently. For the best flavor, drink this juice immediately after blending. Fresh juice tastes better and helps preserve more of the natural nutrients. If you want to make it part of your routine, enjoy it alongside a balanced breakfast rather than using it as a meal replacement. Remember, healthy results don't come from one miracle recipe. They come from consistent daily habits. Small choices made every day can add up over time. If you found this recipe helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried apple and cucumber together. I'd love to hear your favorite healthy juice combinations too. Subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes and simple wellness tips you can make at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.